2 new railway projects approved by China for northwestern and eastern regions. China News. 2 railway projects worth a total of 238.26 billion yuan, $37.4 billion have been approved by China's top economic planner. According to the National Development and Reform Commission, the projects include a high-speed rail link between Tianjin in North China and Weifang in East China, as well as a link between Xi'an in the northwest and Chongqing in the southwest. According to previous data, a total of 4,208 kilometers of new rail lines, including 2,168 kilometers of high-speed tracks, were put into service in 2021. The operating length of China's high-speed railway network hit 40,000 kilometers by the end of last year, as major projects began operations on time.